Did you know LinkedIn isn't just for job hunting? It's one of the most powerful platforms for mentoring others and building your leadership brand. Today, Signofied LLC is sharing practical LinkedIn mentor tips. If you want to create impact while building community on LinkedIn, this video is for you. LinkedIn is perfect for mentorship because it's accessible, scalable, and builds visibility. Instead of mentoring just one person, you can share lessons that reach thousands. Leadership isn't just about what you accomplish at work, it's about how you contribute to the community around you. Here are 3 powerful ways to mentor on LinkedIn. First, share your career lessons publicly. Post about challenges you've overcome and what you wish you knew earlier. Use hashtags like leadership, mentorship, or growth mindset. This isn't bragging, it's teaching through micro-mentorship moments. Second, use direct engagement for deeper mentorship. Comment on posts with thoughtful advice or send quick messages with helpful insights. These small moments show leadership and often mean more to someone than you realize. Third, create opportunities for community mentorship. Host LinkedIn Live sessions, start groups, or run polls that spark discussion. This transforms mentoring from one-to-one into one-to-many conversations. The ripple effect is huge. You're creating spaces where professionals help each other. Mentoring on LinkedIn requires a leadership mindset, showing up consistently, being approachable, and focusing on serving others instead of just promoting yourself. When you mentor online, you demonstrate humility and generosity. That trust translates into greater visibility and recognition as a true leader. Here's my challenge this week. Share one LinkedIn post with a career lesson. Comment meaningfully on 2 posts where you can add value, and consider starting a small mentorship group. Remember, mentoring isn't just about guiding individuals. It's about building community and creating visibility for leadership that uplifts others. If you found these LinkedIn mentor tips helpful, hit like, subscribe, and share this with a colleague ready to grow their leadership presence online. This is Signofied LLC, helping leaders like you grow in career leadership, mentorship, and visibility. See you in the next video.